Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cat Sal Create, and I am coming on with a DIY. Yes, I saw this type of carrots at Walmart and I thought they were so cute, but for the price I was not wanting to pay what they were wanting. I'm not too sure how much it was, but I was like, no, I could do some of my own DIY. So these are some of the ones I've made. And at first I wanted to use a tool, and I bought this green tool, but I didn't like the first set I made, which was the orange carrots, so I ended up making these, and I love these better somehow. These are basically from a row stem, such as this one. I apologize. And I basically just took these things out, you see, and I stuck them in here. So let me go ahead and show you really quick. It's probably not going to be instruction step by step. It's just going to be really quick on how I made it. I actually used pant leg from my son's pants that were all torn up. You could use any type of material. You could use paper, you could use anything for these. Okay, so if you don't have material that's being left over from anything, just use one of these. So how I did this, you could cut it as any sizes you like, and all you're gonna do is roll it as big as you would like, and hopefully my glue gun is warm enough. So just glue the edge right here. I hope you guys could see. Okay, and that is it. You don't have to use much glue. And then what I did is I just cut right here, because I really don't want to use all this. Right there, it's ungluing because if hot glue with plastic on plastic, it is going to melt, so it might not stick on there correctly. So then what you want to do, you want to make sure you have the perfect circle. And there you go. So all I did for these was just this. I bought this tool, what is it called? I want to say tool, but it's not tool. Oh my gosh, I can't remember what it is called. Anyways, I bought this roll at Walmart for $1.97. It's a big roll, and I found this one at the I want to say at the craft item areas. I've seen it at the hardware area as well, but it's more pricey, so you have to really look around. I know they have some in the housewares as well, so just look around and see what you like, and it just depends on your likes. So all you do is, what I did is just start it from the bottom. Okay, actually before that you get a piece of thread and needle, and you just sew through here. Okay, oh, before that you actually stuff it inside. You stuff inside. So I do have some stuffing. This is the kind of stuffing I have, and like I said, I'm probably not going to finish this whole DIY with you guys because as always, I'm always on the run. So you stuff your little carrot as much as you like. The stuffiness depends on you. If you want like a sturdy hard carrot, you know, stuff it as much as you like. You go in here. This is how I did my second set. My first set, I didn't do this, so it was kind of wonky. But like I said, I'm trying to make this video as short as I can. I don't want to do a long video. So anyways, I went ahead and sewed around here, and basically I made a knot. Okay, there was some places on here that were popping open, so what I did for that, such as right here, this was popping open. Excuse my camera. It was popping open, so what I did, I got some glue and I just put some in here and closed it up, and now there you go. So for this section right here, it is going to be a little awkward and crazy. I'm not too sure if it's actually going to work, but let's try it out. So what I did is put some tape right here, and then I went ahead and went around it. Excuse me. Hold it here. It just depends what works for you. You might have to work at it a few times, and you're not going to use glue for the whole going around it. So what I did, put glue right there, and then just go around it a few times. Put glue there, tie it around. Okay. And just go around it. You don't have to, like I said, you don't have to put glue in every little section. If you see something's popping out, you want to hide it, put glue there, press on it a few minutes. These DIYs are not all meant to be perfect. You see some at the dollar store, and they're worse than, you know, they're alright, but you know, once you do the DIY in it, you're good. So this is how I did mine. I went ahead and did this, rolled it around, and voila. And that's how I did mine. Like I said, I was trying not to do this too long, because I know some people get attention. I can't watch a whole video. Sometimes I have to fast forward, and if I'm watching somebody just rolling this, yeah. Anyway, so this is how I do mine. And see how easy and simple that is. And you just work it around, work it around, and work it around. And the glue is right here, so it's still gluing on here. If you see that there's some spaces that are not gluing on, such as like what I did on one of those, I just went ahead and put glue in there so it could stick on there too, and it's not all over the place. So after that, I went and did this part right here. Some of this stuff. Finish that off, and then when I colored this one, what I did, I only used one orange, but I noticed that it's a really strong orange, so you might want to mix a little bit of the white in there so it's not too orangey. I did say I used some tulle. The first ones, as you can see, there's a little mistakes, but the second set I made was I tulled it all around. Excuse me if I'm not in frame. I tulled it all around, and all I did once I'm at the end, then I went and got my little piece of these. These are like the last ones I have, and then just glued them on the top of the tip right here, and that was it. Glued them on top of the tip right there, and there you go. You got your carrot. I didn't want to paint these yet. I don't know if I'm going to paint them, but I really love them. Anyways, thank you for taking the time to watch. I do apologize if there's any errors, any confusion. If there is any confusion, you want more information, more questions about this, go ahead and leave a comment below. Hopefully I am understood correctly. Hopefully I did an okay job for my first DIY, or one of my first DIYs. Anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. You guys have an awesome day. Love to have you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just, you know, link on the subscribe button down below. And for my continuing supporting subscribers, thank you for your support, and I will see you on your my next video. Thank you. Bye.